It's an ancient art form that originated with 13th century Arab weavers, but one Jamaican has found a way to create beautiful and exquisite functional pieces just for your home. Joining us this morning is Jamaica Macrame founder, and she is Latifah Hudson. Hi, Latifah.
Hi, good morning.
Morning. How are you doing this morning?
I'm doing good. And
Uh,
you?
I'm great. Thank you for joining us. How did you get involved in macrame in the first place?
Well, my first macrame piece was a handbag that I made in art class when
Okay.
I did T-Sec or kit. I don't remember which one.
Okay. What
Yeah,
school? What school was this?
Meadowbrook High.
Oh, wow. You see, you guys pay attention in art class. You never know what's going to happen. So that's when you
Yeah.
did the first piece. And from that
Mhm.
experience, what happened? You started doing pieces for yourself. How did it evolve?
I've been doing different art forms like paintings, I do pottery, crochet.
Hmm.
Uh, yeah, I didn't start macrame until this year. I didn't take it serious until around 3 months ago.
Oh, so talk to me then about this. Is it that you used to do art as a business and then decided to expand into the macrame, or were you doing something else? How did you get into doing macrame this year?
I was doing crochet as a business.
Ah, and then you
So
decided to do the macrame.
yeah,
All
because
right.
crochet has been, it's gotten popular. So I
Yeah,
wanted to do something else that no one was doing.
yeah,
And
yeah.
that's how I came up with the whole macrame.
All right. So tell me now, since it started, how has it been for you? How does it work? Because macrame, it sounds a little bit technical to me.
Mm-hmm.
So it's not like you can go and do just a whole heap of them one time. So how does it
Well,
work? Are all the pieces custom made pieces? Do you create? Talk to me. How does it work?
well, I do custom pieces, but most of them are done to order. So I started with a few products and I promoted them, and based on what persons want, I would just create them based on the work.
All right, and we're seeing some there on the screen. There's some with me, and we have. So what inspires it? Because I'm seeing like for the mirror, some pieces look as if they can be just decor. You have
Mhm.
a yoga mat holder, a variety of things. What inspires the work?
I'm just trying to do something unique. I do a lot of research and try to come up with different designs that I know that persons would love.
Yeah, yeah. So what's the time frame though? So you just get up
Or
one day and you just say, look, today I'm gonna make a yoga mat holder.
well, I have a book that I write down everything that I want to do. And
Okay,
I try to create a little plan and say, all right, by this month, I want to put up this, I want to put up that. Yeah.
okay. And how long does it take to do the pieces? So if I wanted a
Well,
custom piece, how long would it take? I said, look, I want a macrame belt for Neville.
well, it depends on the size, but that can be done in a couple of hours and you will get your order in a day or two.
Okay, so people can do that. Um, I hear you have a personal business philosophy. What is that? Share that with us.
I just always want to do something outside of the box. Like, I just want to try and think differently.
Right.
Yes, and I always put that into my business. So, for example, with my coasters, when I created them, I was like, these are really nice. They can be used as wall hangings too. So I tried to add a little bit of versatility to my pieces.
Yeah. How does one care for macrame? Is it something that I can wash? Do I have to hand wash it? What do I do with it?
Hand washing is better,
Hand
not the
washing is
machine. It's a bit more aggressive to the teeth because they're pretty delicate.
all right. And clearly, you can see it's tight. What do I call them? Knots. So
Yes,
yeah. So is it long lasting? It's something if I buy it, I can if I take care of it properly.
yes, yes. This will last you a very long time, so
But
it's worth the money.
we're at the money. All right. I know you were studying physical therapy.
hmm
How is that going?
Well, I am a registered physical therapist,
Mm-hmm.
and I also manage an amputation prevention clinic
Oh, where is that located?
at Legal Business Center. It's
Legal business.
headed by Dr. Mark.
I like that amputation prevention. So they come
Yes,
to you and get the muscles and the blood and everything flowing the right
yes,
way.
because as we know, in Jamaica, amputation is done too quickly. There are other ways that we can save the limb,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
we try to do that there.
I like that because sometimes we think so final. That's what's going to happen. So we
Yes.
never try to protect it. So I'm glad. But we're talking about macrame. And so if people want to find you, if they want to find you, how do they do
Yes.
that, Latifah?
Well, you can reach out to me on all social medias. It's Jamacrame, Jamacrame.
All right. And they'll find a catalog of stuff. And then if they also want
Yes,
to order, they can do that. All right. So
yes.
all social media, Jamacrame. There you have it. Just reach out to Latifah. Thank you so much for speaking with
Thank
us,
you.
Latifah. These are really, really very nice. Congrats on
Thank
them.
you.
And all the best. Jamaica Macrame founder, Latifah Hudson. Coming up next, Ian takes flight off the shelf. We'll be right back.